Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be going through and diagnosing what's going on with my window switch on this 2012 Nissan Frontier. Let me show you the problem now. So the switch works just fine, usually going down, but going up it doesn't always want to work, and then going down again, so it's been kind of flaky. Other switches seem to be fine, but of course this switch is used the most. The others are doing just fine as well. I think it's in the switch itself, and we're going to go through it. I've also purchased another switch just in case if I can't get this one to work out. Anyhow, with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Sometimes it's really nice not to have a fancy vehicle. Removing this plate is really easy. All you'll need to have is a set of these plastic trim tools, and I'll show you how to remove this. You want to start down here, slide in one of the pry tools and just kind of pop it up the best that you can, and if you have another one that helps to make it easier is just to pop that off like that. Pull that out a little bit, and then you can get access into the connector back here. You take a screwdriver and push in on the connector. Be gentle and it'll come right out. And this is the unit here. Now I have this new unit as well. Looks to be just about the same. Let's go ahead and test this one out just to see how it works. This one has little lights on it like the old one. Of course, there's some illumination here. So really, to confirm that the switch in my old one here seems to be maybe a little sticky, we're going to take this apart and I'm going to see if maybe I can see what's wrong with this switch compared to the new one. This is what's on that board. Like I said, these are the LED lights. Maybe. Oh, there's where the contact is. This will rotate. This post right here rotates in there to make contact. Now I got to go find the switch that was here that flew off. And probably just buying a new one is probably for the best anyhow. Yeah, I bet you it contacted here somehow. So look at, there's some rubbing right there. But anyhow, that's inside your window switch, and of course we'll be replacing it with that. I usually recommend OEM parts. However, in this case it was so simple to change out. If this one fails, this was about a $25 Amazon part. It can be easily replaced with another. In this case, I didn't need to buy, a $100 and some part from Nissan in order to get my windows to work. Now, it may not last as long, we'll see. Hopefully it does. But getting it put back together is really easy. The connector goes back in the same way it came out. Snap it in, give it a tug, make sure it's tight, and just press or push in the top part here, press in the bottom. There you go. Again, let's test out one more time that the window regulator works. Now it's going up kind of slow because I don't have the car fully started, but it looks like all of the Windows switches work. That looks good. Let's test out. That one works. This is a button that stops all the rest of the windows from going down, or anyone in the back seats pushing the windows down, so that works. That looks like it works as well. So as you can see, diagnosing this wasn't too bad. Because the switch was a little bit flaky and still working, I knew it was in the mechanism and not in some of the other components. As an example, you have a wire loom in here that could have a pinch wire or a cut wire. Your window motor and everything is down here to raise and lower the window. That could also be a problem as well. And I was pretty certain it was in that switch. So with that said, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like. Better yet, subscribe, and you'll get the latest notifications when new videos come out. If you have any questions, go ahead, put them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. Have a good day, and we'll see you in the next video.